Hi there, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an entire line break into one of your cells data. The line break is done in Word and is used very often. A line break in Excel can add the current line and start a new line in the same cell. You may want to insert a line break in Excel when you have multiple parts of a text string that you don't want to show in a separate line. An excellent example of this could be when you have an address and you want to show each part of the address in a separate line. There are a couple of ways to insert a line break in Excel. 1. Insert a line break using keyboard shortcut. 2. Inserting a line break using formulas. 3. Using find and replace the Ctrl+J track. This lesson will show you the first and third method to insert a line break. I have already opened a workbook with some addresses in the first 4 cells, A1 to A4. If you need to add a couple of line break, you can do this manually by using a keyboard shortcut. The first step is to double click on the cell in which you want to insert the line break or press F2. Let's do it in A1. This will get you into the edit mode in the cell. Now place the cursor where you want to do the line break. For example, here, OK. Now use the keyboard shortcut Alt+Enter. Hold down the Alt key and then press Enter. This method inserts a line break right where you place the cursor. Now you can continue to write in the cell and whatever you type will be placed in the next line. The keyboard shortcut is a quick way to add a line break if you only have to do this for a few cells. But you have to do this with many cells. You can use other method. Suppose you have a data set and you want to get a line break whether there is a comma in the address. You can do that using the find and replace dialog box. First of all, select all the cells you want to replace the comma with a line break. I will highlight these cells from the Home tab, click on the Find and select, and then click on the box. In the Find and Replace dialog box, enter comma in the Find What field. Place the cursor in the Replace field and then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J. Hold the Ctrl key and then +J. This will insert the line feed into the field. You may be able to see blinking dot in the field after you use Ctrl+J. Click on Replace All. Make sure Wrap Text is enabled in the above steps. Remove the comma and replace it with the line break. Note that if you use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J twice, this will insert the line feed carriage return 2 times and you will have a gap of 2 lines in between sentences. You can also use the same step to remove all the line breaks with a comma or any other characters. Just reverse the find what and replace with entity. This is super cool trick. I hope you find this method useful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.